The law allows for what's known as a small estate, officially known as a voluntary administration. If an estate has assets of less than $30,000 and no real estate, you can do, someone can do what's called voluntary administrator, which is a very short form estate. So what happens is the individual can go in and file there's a 4-page form and list the people who are involved in the estate. If there's no will, they would list the family, what we call the distributees. If there's a will, it would list the beneficiaries. And then it would list the person who is petitioning for the letters lists the specific assets that need to be administered. Unlike a full estate where you have the power to deal with all the assets in the estate and there's no restriction, you get these things called letters and you can deal with them. In a small estate, the court specifically gives you authority to handle specific assets. So you would list the bank accounts, that there's this bank account, that bank account. You would list that the vehicles, I have this vehicle, that vehicle, you put the VIN numbers in. The court will then issue you certificates and you can then collect those vehicles or those bank accounts or whatever assets. It's not, you can't use it for real property, however, or to sell a house. And then once you do that, you can then collect those assets and pay the bills and then distribute. But it makes it much more efficient. The filing fees are minimal, I think they're $1. And for a lot of people, it's a very simple procedure to close up the affairs of a loved one.